वेगवेगळी वर्जन्स लोकां मुखार येत आसात आनी खरें वर्जन खंयचें तें पुलीस अजुनूय तांचे कडेन उलयतात, तिका रिमांड मेळ्ळा आनी आमचे सोर्सीस कांय गजाली आमकां सांगतात. Mukesh, tell us more about this case. What are police finally telling you? What is the angle we are looking at, and which is the most credible version now? Well, we have heard many versions in this case. Finally, after getting her remand, after talking to her, what are police saying?
Pramod, I have two informations to share. One thing is from the High Court, COVID-related petitions were heard today. So I'll tell you that later. But first, the question you asked, that what is the information so far in this 1-month-old boy kidnapping case? See, police got remand yesterday and investigation is going on. But what it seems prima facie, that this accused lady has committed this offense alone without any assistance from her husband. One thing was very curious about knowing that fact, that she is mother of 4 daughters, and she wanted to have one baby boy, and she was pregnant also. So these are the facts which has been established as of now, that she got miscarried, but she kept pretending that she has delivered a baby boy. But question again remains unanswered, that how can, suppose she can fake about this fact to the neighbors, but how can she fake about this to her husband? So this is the question, though police is ruling out any involvement of her husband till now, but this is the question which is haunting to investigation agency. And in this case, I'm telling you, though the FIR is registered with Agasem police station, entire North Goa police was on duty to hunt this accused lady down, and massive work was done in the leadership of SP North Shobit Saxena. So they have succeeded, but the question remains unanswered, that when she was planning, the fact has come that she was planning to kidnap any baby boy for last 1 month, because she has pretended that she has become mother, and she was visiting GMC, and one report has come that she also visited Azilo in this with her conspiracy to kidnap any baby boy. So these are the facts. Police is still saying that they have 2-3 days in the custody and they are verifying all these facts. But it seems that it was her willingness or desire to have a baby boy by hook or by crook. That's why she has committed this kidnapping. Pramod.
Mukesh, what about the second High Court update regarding COVID?
Yes, Pramod. In the COVID-related matters, when the matter came up before the High Court today, even last instance, High Court had given direction to the all petitioners to compile one list of suggestions given to Goa government to implement. So a list of suggestions have been given to Goa government, in which 2-3 points are very major points. One is that petitioners had demanded to hold a judicial inquiry in the deaths happened due